So I nyina ya ba Kumasi ha nka manso de bia de this assembly nye Kumasi na se bi di adwuma na emu yese asem na de bema sorry ba ya ba nyina yese yensika asem bi a yente ho ase kakra eye efre bi social responsibility forum aye Asanko Gold Mine Company a omwo yempesu aso ho a omudi omudwuma na ewo se sika no omutumi de ye bibi de boaye na mfie num ni nsia mu ni yehu bibia sabre kwa na medi DC na mebedi DC ye hwehwe ni mem na yese yese mentime ho ase na sisi kakra eyabam nti honorable assembly members nso so adaroma ana omo yese ene omo beye oye kire kakra to ye kire mu na de court nsensem ba ye na judge no tietie nsem no so hu se beye oye kire no atu obetwa de na yesika sem ye nti o share company ni say omon fasika no mra na omon che be sika no na company no eba the next year no company che say sika ne de e wo account bi mu na account no e wo bank bi a me pese me bodin nti judge no bisa say na how am na assign sika no ma ebetimi ayi sika na say sika ne da so company na ho fi say wo bi account na say obi enya access to it anya nipa kro e dia nti judge ne ye say enedua yi company no enko no munko sesa account no signatures na yewu mo best sign no na emra assembly no ni assembly members ne community fo no enyini pa ba ko na emra omudi mu se de be ya be hu se afesika no aba ye ho a edi bedi djuma ampa ye koye ye bo ma na ema ntene na ebre no so se wo se ba ye ba ye obi abebo nu kro ama jeje na kase wasan ma wo mu na woche ba ko pe eye na woche sende yen samra na babia akodu bia se wo se ye ba na se company no nsesa signatories na ono obema ne orders nti de aduro ne de atadwen yate dende ko na ye sha ase no nyame adom ye de bawie ne ye de bawie nso ye de bawie pa manso ene bedi nkunim manso nkunim die ye dia efi se sa sika we ba betima ye mpuntuo bebre e wo mansini num enu ti ne ye ba be pie ha e wo Kumasi High Court na wo hu se de ye de bia ye beje na ye de ye adwuma ebra etwamu a ebia na companies bi bad district no mu na ase o ma be sisi timamufo na e wo ho no bigidi se sa be na ba wiye enye yen ya penso if so man panyin ye didie wo mu na odi akosi ho se ye ni djuma e ma no yentim fa bibia nto man panyin so se o man panyin ye bibia ma nyoma nketenkete bi wo ho a company na e wo ho no sa sika de betumi e de aye mesre mo ma menka bio se ye ne nananom nya ntokwa. We are not fighting the chiefs. Yentimi no hini bia nko fi se nananom animu a da bia te kwa amnam de ma aye tentimi ne mu nko o masase so ye ne company no so ni ntokwa na mbom ade a ye dia ana ye sese ye gye ya de enti ye nom de se e ba sa so de a na wante asa wa ho be ka se ye ne wo e kontokwa enye ntokwa ye sika na aba be di mu ho ana ye gye na ma dia be di ho na fama me na meji a eno che se ne wo kontokwa ntina no mesra mo ani diem ye ne obi nananum bia ni ntokwa ye ne company ni ntokwa fi se de wo se ye boa company bia ye boa wo mu se be wo betimi adi wo mu djuma no mo so nye wo mu faso na wunwa wo faso ni vie na ya de na wo so de bre no kakra bi no umbe so de beba de a ene be ma mabunu na ni abre o mani bre so mo so so be ye den me mpesa sa besi na I said DC da bia na me nam na me pacho na ye nyai enu nti na na mia madi o mani mu a ye nyina ya ba court a wo so mu gu machi a eni bre na aba nti ye be ye gye wia de de ya de
ni mani itimi kokoba sai
me nyi ni se sa nyoma ni tosini fi se sa nyoma we mra de wo so wo ye bia no obeye fi se mra chichirew se so ye A o so ye B o so ye C me nyi ni na mom em se mentime ho ase kakra ane ba eye sikasem num na eje bo ene eje nya aba o de ye se de CBNC ye twam ye se sika no e wo hen ye gye na nyame boa ne ye gye a na afi yatena se ne ahwe catchment area no niema omu hia na yenso ahwe na yetumi yentimi mfa enso niema omu hia nyina no da bi mekasa me ditro nemom at least ye betimi dia ye bibi kakra ama community na ma yenso ye behu se mining company ndi ba ye ho no mfaso a yenso so yenya wo so ebini. So it's simple. There was a court case against the honorable assembly members who had intended to embark on a demonstration, I mean a peaceful demonstration for that matter. And the district police commander felt that he doesn't have enough men to police or to man the demonstration. So quickly he had to apply to the Kumasi High Court for an injunction. So the injunction was granted for 10 days. On the 10th day, when we reappeared before the court, the judge opened for to hear both sides. And then upon hearing, he realized that the call issue or the whole issue that is springing up the problem, it's the Social Responsibility Forum by the Asanko Gold Mine. And so he made orders that in order to bring a finality to the issue, to avoid any mayhem or chaos moving forward, he made the orders that the accounts should be changed to signatories of one, a representative of the assembly members, a representative of the assembly, a representative of the chiefs, and then a representative of the gold company. And I think this was just straightforward, clear, and without any vague to the issue. But we went for almost a month, 3 weeks or so, and the company couldn't change the signature. So we are back here today. The courts, upon hearing both sides, have given them another 1 week to furnish the court or to change the signatories of the account to read, i.e. the district assembly, the representative of the chiefs, representative of the assembly members, and a representative of the company, so that the district assembly and the assembly members will know that, well, indeed, the money is in their account. They can start operating that account and use the money for projects. That's one of the best hearing I've heard so far. At a point the judge got furious a bit because he realized that the company was buying time. Trying to play the gymnastics, but it couldn't work because the orders were so clear, and he wondered why they couldn't change the signatories. And so, like he said, he's giving them a maximum of 1 week, and then after 1 week, when we come and they have not changed the signatories to the account, then he will make his consequential orders. So I can't speak to the issues now. Let's hold on, because he has not made the orders yet. I'm only explaining what happened to the court. So after next week, when we come back, we'll know what the court will say. Fighting Nananom because there's this erroneous impression which is created that it appears that the assembly members led by the district chief executive have problems, or we are fighting the chiefs. That is false. That is not correct. We can't fight them because they are the custodians of the land. It is the more reason why, in the wisdom of the judge, he said that there should be a representative of Nananom, so that they will also know how we are going to use that money. And so if the company goes hiding behind some chiefs and paint a certain picture or make it look as if that we are at war with the chiefs, that cannot be a correct assertion of what is happening. We are only fighting for our legitimate rights. We are only fighting for what is due us. We are not asking too much. We are only asking for what is for us, and we will make sure we take it. Mark it. We are going to take it.
I want to say, na macha metie for any hwefo nyina. Assembly is simple. A couple of almost about 5 years now, assembly members were environment, and that's the catchment areas or Asanko no. Ya fight here was a SRF issue no. You know matrasi, ebi okra yetimi no matrasi. I can't remember say last year, that was on the September. The trail letter sank a demonstration say Emma Omo frey say no matrasi na no munye negotiation. You know matrasi negotiation kama. Na time de say at the end of this year, that was 2021 year. Yen sabe hu sa no mani nyina. The transfer hwe ya ko ho still na emuaye bia nyeden emma. Nti e ba say assembly members nsa ba ku achi. Na ya san fa ya dwen foforo. Na yetimi ehu ade a betimi aboa. Na yetimi agi scan because scan ye catchment areas for dia. Assembly members will move in the catchment areas and nananom enyina edia. Catchment areas na ne fa. Krobit Oma zone 5 zones. You were a blam zone, yeah, or catchment area. No, you couldn't ask in zone, you can't Kenyago zone, any Aboli zone. And now, Sazo is in the Kaboom, and no more under catchment areas. No, now, Tama no mu transfer said this year and Sabeka and Sankes can, and yes, I call back. Equal transfer say, and yes, I am because can zone for near the area. And as I can both almost last 2 months in care demonstration. And in your court order say demonstration the entry kakra na yensema ntie hu hia ne ntie demonstration no yemra court na yemechirem nyame adaroma ye bai ebechiremu judge na asema ode ma yenso so eye asema epass mu ntemi ejai na ni nyina ne se ese nananom edom nipa ba ko ba assembly members di omnipa ba ko ba assembly na angasa the body na angasa so di omnipa ba ko na asankofo na so di omnipa ba ko ba o hwe ene ba na assembly members ya ye adie nipa ba saa so na assembly no so adi ni nipa ba but nananom ene sebi asankofo de na angasa no mantimi afo omnipa anye de ama nti ama court na order say yenhwe na 1 week time no yo mo fa omnipa na so mo afo omnipa na ama ene wo na wasema obetima ade aka chiro ne de kan na ne say catchment area de ye twese yensa beka yesika na ye development wo communities na ye dem na de obusa mi akakra mitima kana mapa ye be ye cheaper de in fact anodin ye kwa mu bi ni akasa achiro mze omunya ntobase no mutwe ni entie de court beka achire na de court beka achire no na be mi ehu asema bitima ade aka achiro na sam na ya ba ya beti asem de idie me sure say asem de ya te ne ko ka achire wo mu na wo so adwo wo makoma ni ya twe eda ye beti se ene yensa ka esika ni wi a afei ya sha ase de ayimpuntu na mind for so nya mfaso afiri so na obusa mi asa bitima aka achiro say ye fight say ye district no ebetumpon say ska we ba na say even po ye ni assembly members ye around catchment areas ka say DC first kan kwa nyam puntu wo ho a ana so mfanya kwan na ebeboa ye ama ye nyina atimi anya kwan papa ye de afa so ye bompa ye DC so bon ho moden kakra say de obetimi aye ebeboa na ye kwan ene development e obi atimi aye de aye adwuma na emom de ye kan say asanko good mines a omo ye mpeso an so de ye kakra wo mo asom de maye de yen assembly members ni nananam ene DC yakabum se omfa yisika maye ni efa ni mpuntu na de metumetima kan honorable Ushe Beniza na nemo kasai Kumpese electoral area
Asanko say share last month and then so judge na say amra and then you be titia my lord Justice Obri ekase yen change signatories of SRF said the honorable DC Edinka Church mono social responsibility forum omo yes signatories to account no and na assembly no bisa we are not asking some first kind of crime and it's Asanko for no I want to be a catchment community. It's not the entire district. So me a presiding member and I support to my assembly members are more catchment communities. No, it's not the entire district. Catchment communities about 9 communities, and omo kakra omode toho for almost 7 years. Ometimede edi omudruma ayempuntu semne ande. And na omo border there was a ref from Anson Kwanta. Former Mansia West Rural Bank penny and assembly members rep and another rep on then a Sanko for also. But 2 years in a year board no. Omo committee almost a Sanko for no play games and there Ochna Yabeko Yabesign and there Achna Yabesign 2 years board by and Asanko has been working our Manso for almost about 5 to 6 years now. And as community members, honorable assembly members no feel say you be here you okay SRF you be here kwan okay SRF you be here hospital okay SRF you be here punti okay SRF no so sika no way kwam na sign those were the questions on bisa and na koba some years on be demonstration na assembly no do baby a bambom penifo so to an amonsa so bi beba ti police commander aye no den junction beto so na judge and say amra na assembly said the case ni sit ne yemfa meto ne no ti ba yi no me na me gina ma no assembly members no say kire ediem say be nya ne na no bi na nya asem na any company no so enya asem you know me fine I mean we need them they need us by a person so bi ba na say because e boni asie bi na bibia e kama na judge ne share say me nyi nipa nine assembly members rep the government abang rep and nananum rep and a company rep tinenke bank enim say eno no mo deba adon buy no omo bebo say omo nananum listen nipa omo yin no nya ready so company na ma omo na court na ma omo na otwe baako say na me adoma 22nd no wada omufa omunipa ba ko na aka no ene Asanko for rep mbra na ye hu se we eno achi no so Asanko Gold any catchment communities ne nana no betena se ne ahwe se de we di ni kuro bia de ni nana we na se ko no ho we ne ade yampunti we ne yampunti we ho de me kwa bana ne ye chira de hia ne se omanfo no be hu se this is for us ye say bi enye match bia na ye bi sa say the honorable DC kind that's all. Basically, like the Honorable DC said, we are not fighting the company. We are not fighting any traditional leader. We have an utmost respect for our chiefs. And the company, like I indicated in my earlier submission, that we need them whilst they also need us. But what we are asking for is legitimate money that belongs to the people. We call it social responsibility forum. It's about it's money that the company is supposed to use to develop their catchment communities. And for almost about 5 to 6 years, they have been in operation in the district. And if my memory set me right, about 2 years ago, we constituted a board. Who ideally was supposed to represent the community on behalf, and the Asanko also have their rep on it. But the board came and informed with the assembly members that for past 2 years that they have been going to meetings and what have you, they don't even know the people who are signatories to the SRF. They don't know where their accounts are. And we pushed the company further, and they realized that they were not ready to be open to us. So the catchment communities mobilized themselves and they wanted to do a demonstration. And I think the district police commander, Mr. Kowa, went to court to seek interlocutory injunction, and the judge wanted to get to the merit of the case. So we're here last month, and the order given by His Lordship was that they have to involve Nananum assembly members and the government rep, plus the company's rep with respect to the signatures and the others. So we agreed to that, and we're expecting the company to bring the person, and Nananum bring their rep, and the assembly and the others. For the assembly and the DC, they are available. But what happened here today is that the Asanko Gold and Nananum's rep was not they didn't bring the person. So what the judge said, His Lordship says is that they are giving them up to 22nd of this month, and whoever coming to represent Nananum or the Asanko Gold, the list will be made available to the High Court, and we'll continue from there. That is when he'll give his ruling, so we'll continue from there.